Hi, Caleb. It's bath time. Yeah? Do you like bath time? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You're good to hang out in the bathtub? Get a little wet? Yeah. Do you like kicking? You kick and splash? Kick and splash? Yeah. You're 17 weeks old today. That's pretty exciting. Yeah. That's so fun. What else do you know? Did you have fun at Thanksgiving last weekend? Got to see your family? Yeah, so many people. So many people. Yeah. What else did you do with your cousins? Yeah. Ooh. Do you like that water?